Call it Pop Bubba Sparks.
Booty, 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 rockin' everywhere. Booty, booty.
Hey, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
What's up YouTube, it's Desi and I'm back with another video, y'all. So with this video is going to talk about a review as far as for this hair, the Shake and Go. So you guys, as you guys may know, this is like already a week already wearing this hair, and I just want to show you guys as far as for how it's holding up for me. So you were able to see as far as for how I've been maintaining this hair. For the most part, I'll use like foam at the top. This is the makeup that I use as far as for the closure. I haven't touched up on it in a couple of days, but this is the one that I use. This one is going to be L'Oreal Paris, and this one is the Pro Matte, and it is in the shade 800 Cocoa. So that's what I use. It pretty much matches my skin color, as you guys can see on that, and I'll just use like a little amount and just kind of apply that on the closure part. But so far, y'all, this hair has really been holding up for me. Like I told you guys before, I'm really trying to do a healthier route for my hair, and starting off next year, I really want to be like a lot more healthier and try to like stay away from most of those heat protected hairstyles, because like when I tell y'all, like I was doing so good on my 4C journey, and then I recently had got a trim, and she was telling me as far as for how my scalp been coming along, and she could tell that I haven't really been, you know, oiling my scalp as much as I need to. So I figured I'll start just wearing like protective styles as far as for wigs, or just wear braids where I usually just oil my scalp as much as possible. Now, one thing I can say on YouTube, a lot of girls have been winning as far as for like showing their ways of how they're keeping up with their hairstyle and stuff like that. It's a lot of YouTubers that's my favorite, like hair tutorialists, I would say, but I'll share it with that another day. But as far as for this hair, the body wave has been keeping up. I love the shine that it's been getting to this hair, and this is the foam that I use as far as for the top. This one is Silky Straight Wrapping Foam Lotion, and it was $7.99 at your local hair store. Now you can get this on Amazon and Walmart if you guys want to go there. Walmart, I doubt. They have a different kind, but this one pretty much holds good, and it adds a nice shine to the top layer part. And this haven't really been getting tangled up on me, so I'm really proud about that. But one thing about this, all I did, y'all, was basically just glue each track to the cap, and then with the closure, I always sew in my closures whenever I do a wig for myself, because I feel like the glue don't make it last long. But at the same time, I figured this headband would complement this outfit a lot. You guys were able to see what I have on as far as for that. But I just want to try to keep up with the wig and make sure it looks good with certain outfits, because the more you dress up with your wig, the more you fall in love with your wig. But usually when I wear it at work and stuff like that, I get so aggravated with it because it's so boring with just a headband on it. But when you have like flower headbands, it brings it out. Another thing is, this is the edge control I use. This is Edge Fixer, and they got it in different types. I love the peach kind. My mom just put me on with the pineapple kind, and I feel like it smells so good. It doesn't leave a residue at all, and it's really good on my edges. So that's what I use. It's real cheap. This is like, what, like $2.99, and this is the results. Now I usually just show the edge part that's just gonna show, like, say for instance this side my edges are done, but that side really isn't as done because it's covered up by the bang. The bang. But yeah, this is how my edges turned out, and I just usually just do it that way, where I put it behind this way. Now some girls be doing where they, you know, they could be real versatile with their wigs. Me personally, I just put it behind like that, or you could just kind of braid it, put that around. But for the most part, I just kind of put it behind my ear, or I'll just try to switch it up. Like I'll probably have this side on the back, put that way, put it both back, bring it both to the front, let that side. I just be real simple with it. I don't like to be all that extra and stuff. But yeah, so far this how this wig been coming out, and I haven't really been getting it shed as much. You can wear it as a ponytail, but for the most part I like to wear mine on the shoulder because it looks long. But this is how it looks in a ponytail. This is how it will look, and it's real long. So like I said, the longest inch was an 18-inch, and with this hair I mixed in with my hair as well too, because my friend, she has her own company. It's called Joyful Bundles, and I haven't really did a hairstyle yet where I wear like all of her bundles, because I still have an 18 pack that I didn't even use yet either. Well, 18-inch. And so I'm actually trying to get a half up, half down hairstyle next week coming up. So in the meantime, that hairstyle really lasts me for a while. The only thing I can say is when trying to, the ponytail part, they have to flat iron that part just to get it kind of right, or hot comb, depending on what girl kind of use what. Some girls just kind of slick my hair with just the products, like say for instance just the gel and stuff like that. But I feel like I'm gonna be able to wear the bundles to kind of like keep up with my hairstyle, because that makes me last for a while. Either that hairstyle, the half up half down, or I could wear like braids. Braids always last me for a while as well too. But these synthetic wigs have been coming up, and I'm not gonna lie, they came a long way with trying to make these closures and stuff, because I'm like, these closures really, they really last long, and it looks good. It looks really natural. So you'll be surprised. Like sometimes it's good to spend money on bundles, but sometimes it's good to kind of like go a cheaper route sometimes, just to see how something may turn out, because you might just like it. That way you won't have to just keep spending so much money. So y'all let me know what y'all think. This is week 1 with wearing this hair. I'm gonna keep it on for another week as well too. I really was thinking about trying to do like a slick braided ponytail with my hair, but I'm not gonna get too excited. I get too excited too much and then it don't turn out right. So I'm gonna keep watching more videos as far as for that. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, and tell me what you guys think about this hair. Would this be something that you would buy at your local hair store, or would you just kind of stick to the real bundles? Let me know. Love y'all. Have a good one. Peace.